How to unblock someone on TikTok. What is up, guys? In this tutorial, we're gonna see how you can easily unblock someone on TikTok. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you have TikTok open, first you need to find out who you have blocked. So what you basically do is find your blocked list, and you could just go ahead and tap on your profile for that. Tap on the three dots at the top right, and then go to settings and privacy. Then if you see the blocked list over here, you can directly click on it. If you don't see it, you can just go ahead and click on privacy and then scroll down here until you find blocked accounts. Tap on blocked accounts. You'll find the account that you've blocked. You can tap on it to view their profile. Now, if you want to unblock them, tap on this unblock button, and then you've successfully unblocked the person. Now they will be able to see your videos, post photos, send you messages, and all of that stuff. So they are no longer restricted from sending you messages. And that's how you basically unblock someone on TikTok. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.